Hello, MAK, and especially the class of 2023. This is a video just to congratulate you. I'm so proud of you, and I really wish that I could be there in person to cheer you on in this next season of your life. This morning, as I woke up here in North Carolina, all I could see were little faces on the page of the yearbook, and so I put that in the slide presentation because when I think about you, your sweet little faces from grade 4 is what I remember. And yet I loved also watching you grow these last many years and all the beautiful things that you've been doing, the wonderful talents that you have. I'm so proud of you. I just want to say congratulations, and I want to say to everyone else, the one thing that I remember about fourth grade in this class is that they loved to praise the Lord. And the first year I was teaching at Morrison, it was a really hard year, but I would go to school and every morning they would want to sing praise songs to the Lord and worship songs and get excited about worshiping and praising the Lord. And I think I walked away being a very big Toby Mac fan after my first year with them at MAK in fourth grade. So thank you for your heart of worship, the way you love to worship the Lord. I pray that you would carry that with you into everything you do in life. These were the sweet faces that greeted me every day the year that I first started at MAK. And these are the sweet faces that I carry in my heart. Congratulations to the class of 2023 from Mrs. Fusca. I really wish that I could be there with you in person as you graduate high school. You've made such an accomplishment. I'm extremely proud of you, and remember that you are forever my students who I hold in my heart. I want to leave you with one final verse as you head into adulthood and the new adventures that God has for you. You will face great joys and many difficulties. I wish I could spare you that, but in this life, the word says that we will have those. But I want you to remember Hebrews 12:2. It says, let us keep our eyes fixed on Jesus, on whom our faith depends from beginning to end. He did not give up because of the cross. On the contrary, because of the joy that was waiting for him, we are his joy. He thought nothing of the disgrace of dying on the cross, and he is now seated at the right hand of the throne of God. So whatever challenges you may face in the future, just turn your eyes to Jesus. And I pray God's very best things for you as you go out into the world.